Hey Internet, today's lesson is basic assemblies. So if you click on new, click on assembly, OK. Alright, just loading. So the first part that you want to pick is your fixed part, which I call the anchor part because the anchor is the fixed symbol. So you just place it anywhere and then it'll automatically fix it. I'll just change the background to dark. Okay, so rotate. Next component, so be like part 2. So what you want to do is make these two components together. So we're going to make this and this concentric. So if you just hold control, click and left click both of these, then click mate, and then pick concentric as your relationship, then click the green tick, and then these two will be concentric. Notice that it's free floating, so you want to constrain it even more. So let's make this line and this line parallel. Nope. Coincident. Okay. So that's the relationship that we want. And then we want to make this face and this face coincident as well. And now next component. So we want to make this floating and concentric with this piece as well. So concentric, okay, and notice that it's free floating, and we want it to be free floating. In real life it won't just float out, right? It will be stuck there. But yeah, that's what this component is. And I'll just quickly show you what the toolbox is. It's like for generic parts. So if you click toolbox, then click add in, and we'll just pick ISO, double click, we'll pick nuts, hex nuts, and then if you just hold left click and drag it, and then M10, yes. Any other settings we need? Nope. So click the tick. So we already got one there. We can just exit, just press escape. So if you make this concentric with this shaft slash rod, so again just hold left click and control both the pieces, then concentric again. In real life you would probably thread this, but threading takes a little while, so I just decided to keep it basic. And once again, hold control, left click, and then left click this face of that component, then it would automatically constrain it for you. If it doesn't, then normally you would just have a coincidence. Alright, and that concludes our basic assembly. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, comment if you got any questions. Until next time, see ya.